Don't tell anyone, but I found a tool which makes prompting so much easier. The tool I am talking about is called Fusion and improves your prompt engineering for ChatGPT. I put the link in the description. Let me show you quick how this AI tool works. Just type your standard ChatGPT prompt in there. In my example, I want to know some nice ideas for a blog post about AI. After you click on Generate, this prompt engineering helper will improve your prompt. In my case, it added some keywords like the length and put as an idea that the focus on the history and applications of AI. Click on Write and you will get the results from ChatGPT. So how much does it cost? That's easy to answer. This prompt engineering helper is completely free. Before I give the final rating, a quick reminder to subscribe my channel for more tool reviews. So what rating from 1 to 10 will I give to this tool? In my opinion, the tool can help in certain situations, but I would mostly only recommend it to people who are new to prompting. I give this tool a 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.